Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video, I will show you how we can do part 2 whole analysis using Tableau. So what do part 2 whole analysis basically means is, so over here on the left hand side, I have various countries, and if I hover over it, so we can see that this particular country is Russia, and we are able to see that what is the market value of Russia. Similarly, if I hover over this, I have Brazil, and what is the market value of Brazil. So now what the functionality which I want is, if I click on Brazil, so this particular pie chart should basically show me that what is the percent of total of Brazil when compared to other countries. I mean, this particular pie chart basically represents the market value. So for example, if I click on Russia, so it basically shows me that Russia is contributing only 1.55% of market value when compared to all other countries. For example, if I click on Saudi Arabia, so Saudi Arabia only contributes to 0.18% of market value when compared to all the other countries. And similarly, if I click on Australia, so the percentage of total of market value of Australia is 0.48%, and of all the other countries is 99.52%. So now let us see how we can create this particular part to whole analysis using Tableau. So I will close this particular workbook, and I will I will open a new instance of Tableau and we will start from scratch that how we can like build this particular example using Tableau. So I'm opening the workbook, and let me quickly connect to the data. So I have connected to the data, and let me go to sheet 1. So first of all, what we will be creating is we will be creating market value by country. We will be creating a field map which will show us what is the market value by country. So I will name this particular sheet as market value by country. So I will drag the country over here on the canvas and the market value over here on the canvas, and I will quickly convert this particular graph to a field map. So over here, this is Russia, and this is Poland, and accordingly, what is the market value of Poland? Now, now what I will do is, as a next step, that I will select few countries from this particular map. So I will drag my mouse pointer like this, and over here we have the symbol of set. So I will be creating a set, and I will be naming the set as country set. Okay. Now, as a next step, I will go to a new sheet, and I will drag this country set on the canvas, and my market value as well on the canvas, and I will convert this particular map to a pie chart, and I will keep it as entire view. So as of now, like whatever the set which we have created, it is not a dynamic set, it is a static set, because we have like statically selected few countries. So now I will drag the market value on the labels, and I will convert this particular market value to percentage of total, because in the start, as I showed you, that we want to see the percentage of total. So I will name this particular sheet as pie chart, uh, which shows percentage of total. Now let me move to a dashboard, and now what I will do is I will put both of these sheets in a dashboard. So I will put the market value graph over here and pie chart over here, and I will keep the dashboard size as automatic. Just a minute. Yeah. So now, as a next step, what I will do is I will go to dashboard. I will go to actions. Then I will change the set values. I mean, whatever the set which we earlier created by manually selecting various countries, that was a static set, but we don't want that particular set to be static. We want that particular set to be dynamic, so that as soon as any end users clicks on the field map, the pie chart should change. So now what we are doing is our source sheet is basically this particular sheet, which is market value by country. So I will keep it as I will uncheck the pie chart, and my target set will be the country set which I created. Now I will click on OK, and this I have created. So as you can see, if I click on any particular country now, suppose if I click on Russia, so this particular pie chart also changes. So it basically shows me that the percentage of total which Russia is contributing towards the overall market value is 1.55%. Similarly, if I click on Brazil, so Brazil is contributing 8.86%. So this is how it is done. And suppose if I click on France, so France is contributing 10.33%. And if I don't select anything, So this particular pie chart basically becomes 100% because we have like not yet selected any of the country. Similarly, if I again select Mexico, so it shows me that Mexico basically contributes to 1.48% of the overall market value. So this is it for this video, guys. If you like the video and if you find this particular video helpful, then share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.